Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on the application of DuckDuckGo. You will click on settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will go down until you find the window or the application of DuckDuckGo. Here in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of DuckDuckGo. If you find updating this plus sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.